A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for Pulaski and Central Alexander counties. At 4:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Huerta Tams to 6 miles north of Charleston, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mounds, Thames, Mound City, Owen, Olmsted, and Pulaski. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander and Pulaski.
15 p.m. Central Time. It's 4:35 p.m. Central Time. A severe thunderstorm.
Okay, it's also should I wait, no, it's not going to be 22.
Miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Big Spring, Tullahoma, Sand Springs, Westbrook, Big Spring Country Club, Big Spring McMahon Rincon
Park, and Cuthbert. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 171 and 207. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The current required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the new weather radio public warning system. Especially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm signals can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties in Orange counties. For station KI 863 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Hope, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXG70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program.
What the hell?
We now return to the regular broadcast program.
Here we go. This thing's already going off?
The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
WHC is already going off.
Western Texas, southeastern Howard County in western Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Time.
At 5:12 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tullahoma, or 15 miles east of Big
There it
Spring,
is.
moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado City, Tullahoma, Lorain, Lake Colorado City, Champion Creek Reservoir, Lake Colorado City State Park, and Westbrook. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 188 and 228. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Those are some big hail
Lightning
cores.
is one of nature's leading killers.
This is the one that just got issued.
If you can hear thunder,
Few
you are
minutes ago,
close
this
enough
one.
to be
I
struck
missed
by
that one.
lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.